we used to see only like pure software business, like we just talked about it, like GitGuardian, Gradium. It's really like pure software, pure technology. But we also have Malt, a marketplace. But what we're seeing now, and we are starting to have some in our fund, it's like service-like companies that are using AI and are doing roll-ups. And so are doing acquisition of other service companies, putting AI into it and growing fast thanks to that. And here, and I think we're going to see more and more of this. I mean, it's a little bit of the cliche of apparently like every MBA student in the past like 5 years or 3 years in the US were going after and looking for like a plumber. Well, maybe plumber is not the best example to be replaced by AI, but you know what I mean? Like some businesses where you can optimize everything and you do a build up. So we see that more and more. And to have people here that know how the debt market function, that are able to give us access to some debt facilities that can help those kind of business. I'm not saying all our business are going to raise like this, but some businesses will more and more need to raise debt like things, because when you're basically selling tokens and it's become a variable cost, there is another way to finance yourself. Also, as we said it before, we have a growth team able to write like super large checks. And I think it's super important to have both, because as we see, if you take a step back, I think it's an exception, but I think the number is like, I forgot exactly which time frame, but recently in the US, 40% of the capital raise was raised by two or three companies. Well, it was Anthropic, OpenAI that raised huge round, but we're seeing more and more of those huge rounds. And it's important to have like deep pocket to be able to follow them